guys, it's Reese, and today I'm here with my two cousins, Brooke and Paige,
the youngest.
So,
And my favorite doll, Samantha. She's a Be Forever doll.
Yeah, my girl's biggest in the way. And I'm gonna go and get my things ready.
yeah, me too. So today we're playing with slime.
Oh, and Sia's going to be in here too.
And so is Nicola. I haven't introduced you guys to Nicola yet. I've had her for a while. I just haven't introduced you guys. And I am going to be starting giving out shout outs to people. So today I have to Wendy and Kawaii Unicorn because they love unicorn. That's why I'm wearing this. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So guys, we are almost ready. So look at this slime. It's purple. It's gooey. It's amazing.
I said.
I need this. So I'm gonna pretend I'm making slime. She's gonna pretend she's making a dish, and she's going to pretend. What are you doing?
I'm going to. Well, Samantha is going to pretend to prank Sia and Nicola.
Okay, so let's get started. So guys, first I'm going to be pretending to make slime with this
And I'm gonna make some things. And if you see my hand, I'm using. I'm just gonna borrow it.
What?
I'm not playing slime.
No, not now. Sweetie, go over with Auntie Brooke. Go. Or else you'll be on timeout.
Can I just watch you?
Yeah, you can watch me. So I'm going to pretend I'm splitting this up into glue.
Okay, so can I just move Nicola for a sec?
Yeah.
So I can bring my stuff here.
So
Nicola, you'll sit right next to me.
I'm gonna get
food. And now I'm going to pretend this is food coloring right here. It's going to be in... Where is it?
She's just gonna find
Where's the
something.
container I was using? Where's the little container?
I think it's
Okay, so this is how Samantha will prank.
Wait, where is it? I think it's over there.
And Sia.
Wait, I think it's.
This is what she would
Wait,
do.
I don't know where.
Slime.
So just so you know, guys,
And once
Reese's
more,
just finding
You'll
something.
slip.
Well, I said that's fine.
Christine.
I can't find it, so I'm just gonna be.
You could use.
Oh, this is it. So this is gonna be. So let's start this.
Just so you know, as you might know,
She loves
I
dabbing,
am-
and I do
my
not.
name is Brooke. And I love slime. And I love Dr. Squish. Check
Check out Dr. Squish. You can say Dr. Then Squish.
Oh, and check out Colin's Key and Devin Key.
Yeah. Shout out
And Cole and Sav.
Yeah.
Cole and Sav.
Shout out to all of those YouTubers. So
And Cookie. Don't
and
forget
Cookies for LC. Cookies for LC.
Oh, and Kelly Maple. We cannot forget Kelly Maple.
Yeah, we're giving a bunch of shout outs today, so sorry if you can't take all the shout outs.
If you're not subscribing, you get 3 seconds.
3, 2, 1, done.
If you clicked it, nice job.
And you
are part of the slime fam.
So
Actually, the crazy fam because Reese's crazy world.
So you guys, if you guys are subscribed, you are part of the crazy fam. So now we're going to be doing a like challenge. We want to get this video to
3,500 likes.
to 350 likes. So let's try this in
5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1, done. So if you guys clicked like, good job. So if you guys got this video
If
to
you saw my video when I got my glasses and I put slime on them,
You didn't make one of that.
I know.
Slime syringe.
So first, I'm going to be putting in the fake glue.
Okay, so Samantha is going to prank them at the end of the video. So you
See, there's the fake glue. Now we're going to be putting in.
So we'll be right back when we set up the prank.
Yep. Okay, guys.
This is the prank. So, actually, we're just pranking Sia. Okay, so we'll just wait.
So now I'm gonna put in some fake activator. What happened?
I slipped.
Such a slime. Okay, go to Auntie Brooke because I'm doing something right now. Okay, so now we're going to mix this up, mix, and bring it out. And watch!
She's throwing a temper tantrum right now.
Okay, guys, so that's
All for this video.
like
We're gonna make another video and it's gonna be part 2.
But so make sure to press that like button, subscribe to my channel, Reese's Crazy World, and comment down below if you like slime. Bye.
And make it every day.
And make every day better with Reese.
If you watch my channel and you love it, give this video a like. We're doing one more like challenge. And let's get this video to 1,000 likes. So press that like button in 3, 2, 1.
Done. You have to click it right now. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Peace out.
See you in part